Right here, right here.
Hey, ball. Hey, ball. Hold me, come on.
Hi.
Who are we playing right now? Are we playing you guys?
Gotcha.
Watch it care for you. What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm in your Milwaukee boys.
Yo. All day.
Good touch, honey.
Why you guys want those ones? I got this for free. You're eating too. Random.
Whoa.
But who are we playing?
Trying to hit the coach. Careful, careful. They might not like you. No. Did you see that? You almost hit him. They don't even know where to line up.
Easy. There you go. There you go.
Big block. Next one, you can remember. Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
No, I'm gonna be in the
Want to open up out?
No, I'm good.
Tinkers, you want some thumbs up?
Use it.
Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh, damn it. It looked in. It's all on camera, so it shouldn't be.
Come on, put in.
Damn, try it. That was a good hit, too. Hell yeah. How was that shit out?
As long as Tyson's alright.
Go, boys. Easy ball. Watch, you. Go, boys, come on.
I thought they weren't going to come. Is that printed? Oh, that's not.
Easy.
That guy, he didn't hit it hard, but he plays.
I'm saying, you can get harder than that. Watch it, boom.
He's a big guy, too.
Oh.
He should be hitting like boom.
Yes, sir, Tom.
Go, guys. Easy right there.
Yeah, Young!
That's Young's first hit in Minnesota.
Well, he hit through his legs.
That's Young's first hit in Minnesota.
It was like,
He needs to hit harder. Woo!
go, Alex.
Sure.
Out.
This little dude got major hot.
Let's go, boys. Come on. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Yeah, he's the next one. He's gonna scare me to
I'm not
Coach
gonna
at my face. It's like,
Come on, number 8! Come on, number 8! You got that!
reach over like that. Boom. Block him.
West.
Let's go, 8.
Oh, yeah. Great boy.
Oh, yeah.
Keep doing.
What's up, Sherman?
Sherman, why are you in Minnesota? I didn't know you came.
Oh, what happened? They must have rotated wrong.
Say the ball will tell the truth. You can never cheat.
Ball never lies.
Yeah. Go, let's go.
Big block, they watch. Oh.
Oh.
That's cheating. That's a gap. That was a big old gap.
Right here, right here, right here, right here.
Come on, Young, just hit it.
Use it, man.
Come on, Young, it's time to get old.
Stop playing around.
I think they're not warmed up yet.
Money! Yeah,
How did Sherman get in here?
they start doing it.
Damn. That was a good hit. That was a good hit.
Neck too low. Get it back, guys. Free ball.
Free ball.
Do
Come
it.
on.
Bam!
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
See?
This is pretty good ball. I like the color.
Oh, there's another one? I don't know yet. We haven't drawn.
Out, out, out.
Come on, Jan. Not even.
That's the
No, Jan, you didn't even go up, man.
Hey, let's go.
It's
enough.
We tried as a leader block. It's hella off. Oh, yeah! Come on, Sherman.
One more.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, that's no good, no good, no good.
They're not playing anything.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Easy block.
Oh yeah.
But where are Titans? Oh no, they're the blue team. No, it wasn't.
Fine.
Titans, the blue team. They're hella good, team. Oh, look. Come on, dude. That guy is like the best player on the team.
Who's the guy who did the parkour?
Oh yeah. Hey boy, don't you grab the bottle away, please? They keep the bottle away.
Don't beat the ball, guys. Right there! Down!
Thank you.
Man, nobody's cheering for Titans. Let's go, Titans!
Everyone's watching Cali.
No. Woo! I'm cheering for Titans too.
Oh, they come from Cali?
Yeah, that's Fresno.
Is that the team we almost lost to?
No. That's a good team, dude. They have hella good defense. Hella good defense, Mom, and they hit good too.
Yeah, pretty
Man,
good.
nobody's cheering for Titans, dude.
Yeah, everyone's just gonna cheer for Team Cali.
They're not as good as Cali, but they got better defense than Cali. Big block. Yeah, it was that wise. I don't know.
Yeah, time out.
We never brought water.
You want some?
What?
I think it's 18 to 10 or something.
How did they get 10?
Wait, they go to 25?
Water's over here.
21.
Rally?
Yeah.
Rally's kind of They need to remember they're playing Rally. I think they do.
Oh yeah, so. Chút tới xíu. Ôi trời ơi. Yeah, this is cool.
That guy and the other guy can hit. And there's a middle guy too. Watch this game. Oh. That was a 1-2, dude, but he didn't do it. You didn't do it right. Ball!
You told Bob you fell down the hill. You should have said another guy fell down the hill. And you rescued him.
Because to be honest, I don't lie.
I'm gonna need my bag for the water. Wow, you got that.
Where's our... That big guy is slow.
Cái đấy là tỷ độ như này.
Man, look at that dunk. Young needs to hit it harder. He needs to hit it hard.
You did.
Big block. We did.
Rally?